Sagittarius, how you guys doing? I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation via PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for our 10 days, 15 days tarot learning and numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And last but not the least, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, we are really working hard towards it. Okay, so let's check it out. This time I have changed the pattern. Like I have written few 10 questions which I'll be reading up, and I'll be pulling out the cards because I don't remember questions easily. Okay, so I've written it over there. Those 10 questions answers will be popping out, and I'll be doing the reading for you. Okay, based on those 10 questions. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, whatever it is, it will be best. Okay, whatever situation is going on for most of the Sagittarius over there. Okay, so yes, guys, so yeah, what are you going through currently, Sagittarius? What are you going through currently? 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 You are releasing the heartbreak from a person, Sagittarius. You are releasing, or there might be third party involved, and you are releasing that energy. So, you might be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, so you are releasing a heartbrokenness related to an emotional person with whom you were very much emotionally connected to. Okay, or might be dealing with a water sign, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. Next question: if you follow your present plan, what is the likely outcome to this situation? If you follow the plan, what will be the outcome? Guys, you don't want to come back together. You are releasing that heartbrokenness in a form that you don't want to reconcile. Like you have your walls open, like you have guarded up yourself, you are protecting yourself. You don't want that person should come back into your life. You have that feeling currently. Okay, and that will happen. Like that will be the outcome of the situation if you are releasing a third party situation and trying to move on from a situation. Okay, so what do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What do you need to know about your career, relationship and health? What do you want to know? You might have thought at some point that was a spiritual connection, but right now you are juggling between two choices, to connection, to direction, to decisions, and that is creating a lot of chaos. And I don't think you have somewhere that feeling that a reconciliation might not happen, that person might not come back into your life. Okay, so whatever it is, let's check it out. What do you need to know about your health, career and relationship? What do you need to know about your health, career and relationship? You are releasing, like in the past you were really stressed out, really fucked up with all this sadness, worries, anxiety issues, having sleepless nights, but now you are releasing it. Like you are ready to move on, you are ready to leave it behind in the past, and you are ready to move forward into your life. Okay, now what do you need to know or you need to do to change the particular situation? What you need to know and what you need to do to change a particular situation? What you need to do or what you need to change a particular situation? Sorry guys, this is the cover, I cannot help it out. What you need to do to change a particular situation? What you need to do to change a particular situation? What you need to do? You need to end this karmic cycle. Your ending is not done right now. Okay, I think Two of Cups is like you are having issues into your relationship, but a proper closure is needed with this connection, but that ending is not happening. Okay, that's the problem. Some of you might be thinking about relocating. Some of you might be thinking to explore somewhere, going for a vacation or something like that. but yes, you just want a change in the environment, change in the ambience right now. Okay, that is your feeling, that you want to get out of this thinking emotions, and you are ready to move forward. Okay, so yeah, tell me something about tell me something about your person's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your person's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your person's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your person's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your person's feeling towards you. Tell me something about your person's feeling towards you. Tell me something. They want a new beginning with you. Their feelings towards you is that they want a new beginning with you. Okay, but coming together is on hold right now. Okay, because your energy is walled, you have guarded up yourself, you don't want to reconcile if they are coming back, you are not giving fuck about it, but they want a new beginning to with you. Okay, so yes, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, where this relationship might be going, you are just, disappointed, sad, worried about it, thinking about the past sometimes, though you don't pretend it, but internally you are actually sad and depressed, thinking about the past. Okay, and the other two cups which are in front of you, you are not thinking about it, you are just feeling sad, depressed, lonely by thinking about the past in your life or past relationship. Okay, so what you should focus on, 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 you should focus on. Remove the stagnant energy, you are ready to move forward in life. You are into stagnant energy, but now you are releasing that energy, you are ready to move forward in life, you are releasing that stagnant energy, you are ready to focus on moving forward in life, like taking an action in moving forward, new life, new beginning, new opportunities, like you are ready to explore the world. Okay, what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears in the month of September, guys? This is the reading for the month of September, guys. Okay, so what are your hopes and fears? What are your hopes and fears? What coming together has been blocked right now. Okay, so what are your hopes and fears? You are fearing a change. A wheel is about to turn into your own favor, and that will bring a major change, and that is your hope and fear. You are, somewhere scared that you don't want to reconcile, but your person wants to reconcile with you, reconnect with you, and that will cause a major change into your energy and your person's energy. A major karmic wheel is playing its role. Major changes are about to happen into your life for sure. Okay, so what will be the outcome? What will be the outcome? Healing, spiritual awakening. I just want to clarify the star. Why is this the star? Why is the star here? Why is the star here for the month of September? Why is the star here? 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 Okay, so king and queen. Okay, so guys, if you cutted the communication, now a lot of coming back situations are there, the outcome. Okay, and you are going through some major healing, major spiritual healing, believing, hoping. The outcome is something that you are believing, hoping in something. I don't know what it is. Okay, but it might be related to a relationship, but within yourself, inside you are hoping and believing about something, Sagittarius. I don't know, some of you Sagittarius might be dealing with an Aquarius, some of you might be dealing with a any air sign, some of you might be dealing with a Gemini, some of you might be dealing with air, especially Gemini, Libra and Aquarius you might be dealing with. Okay, so yes guys, but yeah, major healing, major healing. one last outcome, spirits. You're trying to balance this situation, your emotions, you're trying to balance, you are trying to balance the emotions when it comes to this long term commitment you had with a person. You're just trying to balance it because you just want to understand yourself better, okay, but you are just trying to maintain or balance your emotions, your emotional unbalance, you are just trying to balance when it comes to this connection because you don't want it. You are going through some major spiritual healing, believing, hoping about something, okay, but yeah, you are just focusing on your pentacles or your money related stuff, your stability, but you are not trying to balance your and you're just not pretending that you are in love with the person, you are not showing that emotions, you are just keeping it with yourself and trying to balance your pentacles, your money related stuff, and not focusing on the relationship or whatever is going on with you guys, okay. That's the key, that's the outcome, okay, because I wanted to know what will be the outcome for the month of September. Okay, completion, endings are in reverse. If you thought that this will end, it will not, I guess, okay, because endings are not happening, ending is blocked right now. Wish fulfillment, okay, so guys, two endings are there, 10. Okay, so endings related to a karmic cycle, if you are going through, is ending and a new beginning is happening for you guys. You're just working towards your self-awareness, self-love, self-care, and you're just understanding who is miser, who is devil energy, who is negative energy around you. You are understanding that, like who is a person who is very holding back from the pentacles, holding back his money, um, okay, but yeah, some issues, some stable instability is going on when it comes to a relationship or a married life, definitely, okay, but yeah, endings are there and new beginnings are on the horizon with the same person, okay, that's what I want to tell you. So yeah, the people who are married, the people who are into a relationship, this reading is for them, okay, not for everyone. So I'm just reading out the situation, whatever is going on currently, okay. Okay, so the universe is trying to tell you that your healing, your healing has been blocked right now. Allow the universe to help you with the healing process. Just be patient enough, okay, because your healing is being blocked currently, that's what I feel, okay. So just be patient enough with the things, guys, Sagittarius, okay. I hope you understand. Okay, the first card, walking away, 7, 8, 9. So if you were thinking to walk away from someone, you are ready to walk away, okay, but someone is not ready to walk away from you, okay. That's the thing going on. You're thinking, you're planning to walk away emotionally also. If physically you have already walked away, so now is the time to walk away emotionally, okay, but it is being blocked right now, so the walking away thing is not happening right now, okay. So someone has a major attachment with you, Sagittarius, okay, number 5, and it creates a lot of trouble for you, like it might be like you might be feeling irritated sometimes with this attachment or a thing, okay. You feel disappointed with this attachment thing, okay. Angel number 5. So yes, disappointment, worries, sadness. So attachment someone has for you, but you feel really disappointed that why he's attached to me or something like that, okay. And walking away, you want to walk away from this person, but yeah, that energy has been blocked right now. You cannot, you are not, you might be trying to walk away emotionally from a person, okay, if you have already moved away physically, but yeah, walking away is happening very in a different way, okay. Like if you're trying to walk away but something is not happening, like you want to walk away emotionally from a person but that is not happening currently because that energy has been blocked, like because you're thinking day and night, you might be having dreams with this person and or something like that. Okay, so yeah, you will be feeling blocked currently. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. And if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationships, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And thank you for all the karma donations and the people who want to donate. The links of the PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. Thank you so much. Kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Bye bye.